Guys, today I'm showing how to track your customer journey through video by Hotjar. So let's go to do it. Now I'm going to my tag manager account and go to a new tab and search here Hotjar and to go to the Hotjar website. So let's see. I'm going to the Hotjar website. Click on here, and now I am going to start free with Google account. Okay, so okay, now we start free with Google. Okay, now I am selecting a organization name. You can select everything you want. I am selecting RF official, so type here RF official, and keep next. Now I am selecting employee size. I am select 1 to 10 employees. I am select my role. I am select here my role data analyst and keep next, and now I am uh, here to select recording. Okay, because I need to record customer journey, track here everything. Okay, so now I am skip it, and and I am select my website URL. That's the URL I want to track the customer. So I am selected the URL name, copy here and pasted the URL. Okay, now I am copy the URL and paste it here and keep continue. Finally, I skip here. Okay, so almost done. So now I find a tracking code here, and you can see install Hotjar. So I am clicking here, and now I am find it here the install Hotjar. Okay, and you can see the site ID. Now I am going to my Google Tag Manager account and create a new tag for tracking. Uh, Already my website enabled with the Tag Manager, so I am going to tag configure. Okay, now type Hotjar tracking code and select here and paste it here the Hotjar site ID. You can see the site ID. Eh, Here are the site ID. I copy it and paste it here. Okay, paste it here. Select now triggering. I selected all pages because I need to all pages customer data. So tagging all pages and select name and save it. So almost done. Now I am submit it and publish. Continue. Okay. Now already done the setup. You can now track everything your customer journey through video. So let's go to see it. Now I am preview mode. Okay, I'm now going to verifying and copy the URL again and paste it here and verify the installation. Let's wait 4 minutes. Okay, installation successfully done. So keep next and going to dashboard. I can see I've tracked it. Now we can see everything. Your tracking recording. It is video recording. So customer journey, where they click, where they purchase or not, they they are going, what they do, everything you can track. So you can see it. So I am going to my website and scrolling, clicking and browsing for tracking, how to track it. I want to show you. So I'm clicking something, add to cart. And another thing, I am told you that it's take time for tracking, a few minutes, sometimes an hour. So wait for it. I want to show you. Another thing, I find a confirmation mail through Hotjar, so I am first I verify it. So open the mail and click here. This is my confirmation mail. Sign in again. Sign in the Hotjar account again. So I'm going to my Hotjar. Now you can see the tracking your recording, customer journey recording. Already you can see I am going to my website and uh, something doing, but there are no video here. There are no recording because it takes time. So after a few minutes later, or you can see the everything you recording here automatically. So you can buy a premium package also. Thank you for watching. I think this video is helpful for you.